Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a tutorial this time. Recently ColourPop had a promotion at 20% off on their site, with all their products, and then I was like eyeing at some of the palettes, and one of that palette that I really wanted is the palette. It has beautiful colors. These are like all my favorite shades, the blues, the teals, the turquoise, the orange, the champagne-y kind of color with the browns. Perfect for dark skin. Anyways, I did this look with my loot from ColourPop. I hope you like it. Let's continue watching for the tutorial. So did you like the video? I hope you did, because I really enjoyed using the products from ColourPop. Very affordable, beautiful palettes. Some of the palettes can be a little bit chalky, some of the colors, but they are still workable. I am enjoying all the purchases from ColourPop, and I'm looking forward to doing more tutorials using their products. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you know I have posted videos, and follow me on my Instagram page. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.